So we received a notification from one of our tenants that is renting the commercial building. He said that a water valve, it is leaking water in between two buildings. I am on my way to check, to inspect the area to see how bad it is and dispatch the correct company or technician. Okay, so here is the problem. Oh, is this the problem? Okay, let's put it here. Okay, so the problem is this hose bit, it doesn't cut the water. So they were trying to use this hose, but it doesn't cut the water. Let me see if I can turn it off from here. Okay, now I believe that this is for the irrigation system. So we need to replace this little guy. This is a 3-quarter. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I am going to follow this line to see where it goes and to see if it has a shut-off valve that I can close it. Okay, so it looks like it goes all the way to the front. Okay, so let's go to the front to see if we can find the shut-off valve to close it. And this seems to be an easy fix, so instead of calling a third-party company or technician, I'm going to do it myself. Okay, so here's the line. Look at these. Okay, now let's see if it closes the water, if it cuts the water. Okay, perfect. So now what we need to do is remove this. And I'm gonna go to Home Depot to get the hose bib, and then I'll be right back.
Okay, here we are. You need to be careful when buying these hose bibs because sometimes people buy them and return them, and many times they're damaged. So in this case, you need to grab your piece, inspect it a few times, make sure it is working fine, everything's in good condition. Once you are 100% sure that this piece is new, you're ready to buy it.
Okay, so I have the hose bib here, and also I'm gonna put some Teflon, and I am going to install the and I have this little guy. I'm gonna need this. If you're going to put Teflon on a thread, this is the secret. So okay, so this one, you're going to put it like this. You're going to turn this way. So the way that you're going to put your Teflon is following the same direction that you're going to twist, you're going to turn your hose bib or whatever. So in this case, I am going to go this way. Just hold it here a little bit, then hold it one more time, and then hold it, and then just fail. Okay, let's do this one more time. Okay, and now we can, at the same time, when you are turning, just pull this thing a little bit, so it creates a little bit of pressure. I'm gonna go one more turn just in case. Okay, that's good, I believe. Okay, so now as you can see, the cut, it is here. So when you are turning, the cut, it is going to be turning the same way. Instead, if you put it the other way, once you turn it, this thing is going to peel off like that, and you don't want that because you're gonna have leaks. So this is ready to be installed. Okay, so here we have this thing. Let me open it. It will be better if you use both hands because you don't want to break it. It's kind of hard though. Okay, this thing goes out. Now let's put this little guy. Decoder, same. Okay, now let's go with this one. I'm gonna go, this is the first turn. It's kinda firm already. You know what, I'm gonna go another one. On these ones, you also don't wanna go super. Okay, that's the compressor. Make a lot of noise. Okay, good. We don't want that extra noise. Okay, I'm gonna go a little bit more. That looks good. Okay, so you don't want to turn way too much because sometimes this breaks and you're gonna have an extra leak somewhere else, so you don't want that. So here, this one is done. Now let's go open the main shut-off valve. Okay, and when you open this, go slow. Okay, perfect. Now let's check it out. No more leaks. Perfect. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna put this back. Okay, they have water already. Easy fix. Now that we don't have extra noise, this is not leaking anymore, and the Tenants, they need to replace this because this thing is leaking. Okay, also one little tip that I'm gonna give you. See, these and these, they are two different things. So this is the good stuff. If you're going to buy this type of water beeps, I recommend you to buy this one because this one opens and closes the water super easy, and this one you need to turn a few times and this gets damaged super easy and fast. So you should buy these ones. That's recommended.